Hello and welcome to JEEVES. For this tutorial we will teach you how to edit your permit request. Let's get started. First, tap the permits. In this page, you will find all the permits that you created. Please note, only permits who have yet to be approved can be edited. Once a permit is approved, it is no longer editable. Let's edit a pending permit. Let's choose this permit. This permit is for a gate pass. For this tutorial, we will edit the dates associated with this permit. Tap the From field to edit the start date and change it to December 20th at 7 a.m. And then change the end time to 4 p.m. the same day. Tap Submit to save the changes. Now that these changes have been made, it will be resent to be reviewed and approved by your PMO. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next tutorial.